Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about tips for civil site engineers. Some tips for civil site engineers. These tips can prove important when you don't have any measurement at the site or it is not possible to use them every time. On-site measure tricks are important because we do not always have the necessary measurement tools available. Normally, we required to take the measurements of different objects on a daily basis. It is not possible to have the measuring tools, such as a tape measure, ruler, or protractor, with us. For that situation, I will give you tricks for measuring different dimensions such as length and degrees. Let's consider one example. If you see your thumb and your index finger, the length between them will be roughly 18 to 19 centimeters. Similarly, if you open the thumb and the little finger instead, you will get an additional 2 centimeters for a total of about 20 centimeters. This is an important tip for civil site engineers for the contractor. But, it is fact human hands are different sizes. So this method is just a way to measure the approximate length. Tips for civil site engineers. Furthermore, if you want to measure degrees with your hand, you can do that also. Observe the photo. You can see that your thumb and your little finger exactly make 90 degrees when you spread them on the ground. And if you spread all other fingers, you can also measure 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and 30 degrees with this method. Similarly, if you put 4 fingers together you can measure the distance of 3 inches, or 8 centimeters approximately. And if you put 2 fingers together, you can measure the distance of 1/2 inches, or 4 centimeters. Following are the points civil engineers should know. The free fall of concrete is allowed a maximum of 1.50 minutes height. Lap splices shall not be used for bars larger than 36 mm. Water absorption of bricks limited to not more than 15%. pH value of the water used should not be less than 6. The minimum compressive strength of bricks is 3.5 N/mm2. The binding wire required in steel reinforcement is 8 kg per metric ton. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.